Hello, I'm working on a basic sort of steering indicator to be mounted in the cockpit. Here's the indicator with its needle, and here is the anchor point. And so what's going to happen is this Bowden cable is attached to the needle, which goes all the way around right here. So when the linear actuator pulls on the sway bar, this cable gets pulled and in comes out. And of course, as there's less tension put on the cable, you know, it'll kind of go back in and go back down. I might have to put something sort of spring-loaded, maybe, to do with this cable, because it has a tendency not to really go back in after it's pulled. So, and you know, there's a chance of hyperextending the cable now that's not attached and doesn't have the linear actuator to put a sort of limit on its movements. But no, it's pretty basic. I might need to put more weight at the end of this needle, and the steering indicator is going to be counterintuitive because it's going to be vertical instead of horizontal, because it's utilizing a counterweight to act as sort of an improvised spring to pull the needle back into the lower position. But it is a good, quick, and easy method to do a sort of a needle sensory sort of thing. Probably, you know, when I get another roll of 3D printer filament, I'll print something to look a little more easy and nice looking than this crazy PVC in project board monstrosity. So, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.